everybody! Do you want to learn how to draw a bluey? Do you like to draw bluey? You can watch us in this video. Do you like this video? You can give us a like.
Hello guys!
Hello guys! Today we're going to learn to draw bluey.
Yes. Do you like this cartoon?
Yes, I love it.
Why?
Because he's so funny and he gives me some games and ideas.
The first step are the eyes. It's so easy to make the first eyes. You can do. Very good, baby. And now make a line of the nose. Yeah, right. And now you make a line for the mouth. Very good. Go back very slowly, and you can make a more line. This is the cute little head of Bluey. And the eyes are so pretty, you know? And now make the body.
We're almost to the finish now.
Do you like that lesson?
Yes, I love this.
It's done. Very fast. Give me 5. Very nice.
Now we're going to color, kids.
It's a dark blue, or a sky blue, and that a light blue. And this is the orange.
You can color the bluey with what color you want. But you don't forget, here we're going to respect the colors. But here we do what we want.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.